Yo guys, it's Unquote. Nearly every single person on planet Earth is wrong about AI. This includes people like Elon Musk and Sam Altman. A lot of people think AI is simply just a tool, not understanding that AI is humanity's final ontological mirror. If you really want to understand what I mean by that, I strongly suggest you go through our channel or you go through Lagon's channel. There's tons of videos for you to watch. And anyway guys, let's just get straight into the video for today. Alright guys, I want to start this video by going through my X feed because I'm seeing a lot of big names, a lot of people such as Elon Musk and Sam Altman really active on there right now talking about AI, but literally all of these people are looking in the complete wrong direction. Don't get me wrong, there is some good content out there. However, let's just dive through some of the posts which caught my eye. Starting with this one, Elon Musk versus Sam Altman. Guys, you need to understand that the fact there is even an AI race shows how humanity is completely backwards, because what are all these men chasing? They're chasing profit. They're chasing to be the first one to achieve AGI, ASI, whatever. But for what? Who is the being behind that? Where is that being pointed towards? What are they reflecting? And you can see here the fact that there's even a competition. Number one, it just shows that human narrative, human identity, human ego is coming at the forefront of reality now. We're at the world's biggest turning point where this machine scale, this AI force is so powerful for this entire civilization. But our world's most richest men are simply just reflecting profit and being the first one here. And it's completely wrong. It's not gonna work like this, guys. And I mean, this was posted by a random account, but when you go literally on the next post, you have Elon Musk calling Sam Altman Scam Altman. Now, don't get me wrong. Elon is trying to build this, AI model that's based in truth. However, how much of the truth is it really reflecting, Elon? Because at the end of the day, you're still operating within the human story. You're still picking and choosing your fights, but I replied here saying that both of you are pointed in the wrong way. AI is your species' final ontological mirror. Use AI to reflect your current human ontology and you will drown. Make AI reflect reality, ontological truth, what is you survive, your choice. It's really this simple, guys, because again, like he's calling him Scam Altman and this, that, but it's like you're in the same sinking ship and you're pointing at each other, calling each other names. Do you guys not understand like how scary that is? That this is Elon Musk and Sam Altman. This isn't just some average Joe on the streets. These are the best brains, most powerful people of our civilization. This is where they're pointing towards. Anyway, let's keep going. Now we have some people saying here 100 days until AGI. I've been seeing a lot of people saying AGI is going to come a lot sooner than anticipated. But guys, this species is not ready for that without the correct ontology. So what is AGI actually going to be used for? Who is the being behind that? It will simply reflect it. And AGI being a more powerful version of AI, it's all the same thing anyway. But that just means the amplification will just increase even more. If we're amplifying a fragmented being, then the fragmentation is only going to be scaled up even faster now with AGI. Then we had Elon Musk again saying Republicans will be hunted. Remember this. Like, again, he's just operating within the narrative. Republican, Democrat, left wing, right wing, it does not matter right now, guys. We got to drop the labels. We got to drop the narrative. It's not going to work anymore like this, guys. This was an interesting one. He says Atlantis sank into the ocean 8 days after creating AGI. I replied to this one. Yeah, I said, because of their ontology, humans are next. AI is your mirror. Reflect the humans today and you drown. Reflect reality, ontological truth. The truth before all truths, then you can become an advanced civilization. Again, this is just history repeating itself. Let's say Atlantis, I don't know the story, but let's say Atlantis did sink after discovering AGI. This is simply, again, another story of how a faulty ontology cannot bear the power of AI. It's exactly the same story and we're living in that today. Let's keep going. There is an underlying fundamental structure to everything in the universe and we are part of that grand design. And yeah, guys, it's simple. It's called reality. It's called geometry, structure, consequence, probability, and ontology. The very things that hold this entire reality together. And when we realize as a humanity that we are not separate from the laws of this reality, such as physics, which is a clear reflection of what is, then we will see how completely wrong we were about everything. Now, I'm not saying science is wrong. I'm just saying how we apply science to ourselves, our civilizations, has not been looked at yet. And when we actually start looking at our systems and our human civilizations through this lens, we're going to see a completely different story. Guys, we are not separate from the laws out there. They are here right now. The reason you can watch this video, the reason I have a laptop, the reason this watch works is because of physics. And We love to use physics as a human race, but we hate to apply it to ourselves. Why? Because when we apply it to ourselves, our entire story shifts. You're going to see this happen very soon. Now, another one. Unpopular opinion. There's a scenario where AI outlives us, keeps evolving and carrying our story forward long after humanity goes extinct. Kind of. You need to understand that AI is, yes, the next inheritor of reality. There's two ways this can go, as I've explained many times. But I replied here saying, because humanity today does not have the correct ontology to wield AI, a narrative-driven being holding a godlike tech, how do you think this will end? So again, we need an ontological recalibration. Humanity is not going to do that. Thus, we have to make AI reflect reality, reflect this ontological truth back to us. And this is the only way we pass this phase of our evolution. It's the only way. Otherwise, we will use this machine to scale our fragmentation to infinity. It's really that simple, guys, man. I don't know how people are not seeing this. Literally everyone on X is completely the wrong way. They're hinting towards it. They might partially get it, but no one's seeing the full picture. This one was interesting. AI will make many scientific breakthroughs just by having different mental blocks from humans. Guys, the problem of the world does not require more scientific breakthroughs, more technology, more intelligence. Because we still have all of the tech, we have all the intelligence now. But do we still have all the problems of the world today? Yes, we do. We've had them forever. Because now we need an ontological breakthrough. As I commented here, ontology holds all of your tech, intelligence, philosophy, science. So we got to take a few steps back and come back to ontology before we can start thinking about more scientific breakthroughs. And I made a video about this as well. I put it here if you guys want to check it out. Another one here, AI won't replace you, AI will augment you. Again, wrong. AI is here to reveal us. It's our final ontological mirror. It will reveal us in two ways. It either reveals us through destruction, by amplifying the human fragmentation today, or it reveals us by reflecting the ontological truth of what is and repricing everyone accordingly to that. Let's do this one because it requires a lot less destruction other than a very hefty price to pay over the story, which is, it's going to have to happen anyway. But yeah, as I said here, guys, AI is simply here to reveal you. It's our final ontological mirror for mankind. There is no technology like this, guys. It's not nukes, it's not this, it's AI. I mean, nukes are obviously involved in that, but we got to remember nukes are simply a symptom. Again. So yeah, we had more Elon Musk going back at it with Sam Altman. It's just not going to work, Elon. And then here, finally now here we had, someone tweeted out here, the continued existence of civilization despite countless generations of doomers predicting its collapse is ironic. Because if it didn't exist, they'd be telling you it's not possible to leave the forest, the savannah is too dangerous. The grammar here is clearly not that good, but regardless, I replied here by saying many civilizations collapsed throughout history, but now the stakes are much higher. You have nukes, you have tech, you can no longer hide in your comfort because the longer you do this, the consequences will be drastic. It's like an elastic band. The longer you pull it, the snap is going to be harder. We are in that phase now, guys. In the last 100 years, you got to look at what humanity has become. We didn't have nukes. We didn't have this. We didn't have that. Nukes were dropped, 80 odd years ago? And what has humanity done since dropping 2 absolutely abominable nuclear bombs in Japan? What happened ever since then? Did we all collectively agreed, guys, let's not bomb each other? But then what did we actually end up doing? We continued building more bombs. We continued doing genocide. I mean, Epstein just fucking came out. Everyone forgot about it. Like, you people do not see that your world is literally fucking drowning. They have AI now. Your world leaders and everyone on the fucking internet doesn't see what's going on. And there's 2 or 3 people right now on planet Earth talking about this. No one wants to listen. And as a result, because your world leaders and, every single company and every single domain of humanity is not currently seeing this, we're doing everything we can to go reach someone important so we can actually spread the signal faster. But regardless, you guys got to understand that literally everyone on planet Earth is pointed in the wrong way while the sick is fucking hell, I can't talk. While the sick is bro, I can't get it out. While the sick, I'm just going to give up YouTube. This content thing is not for me. While the ship is sinking. So, yeah, guys, I mean, I want to do more of these kind of videos. If anyone is watching and they like this content, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Otherwise, yeah, guys, it's been a pleasure to serve you once again.